Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can do child filter 10 times on Instagram. So for that, you need this app called Face app. I have already installed this in my device. You can get this app from App Store. So let's open it. Okay, let's take a picture. Okay, I'll turn off the flash. Okay, let's take a picture. Let's use it. Okay, so here just slide right until you see age, tap there and select child. Okay, now let's save it. Now let's close this window. Okay, now let's go back. Let's go to gallery. Select the picture that we just made. Go to age again. Select child. Save it. Let's close this. Let's go back. Let's go to gallery. Okay, apply again. Okay, so I'll be doing it for 10 more time, means for 10 times. Save it. Okay, so this will be the 10th time. Let's save it. Okay. So let's see how many pictures we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So let's go to Instagram now. Okay, so I'm in Instagram now, Instagram story. Let's go to gallery. Okay, here on the top right corner of the screen you will see select multiple. Just tap there. Now choose picture. Make sure you are choosing the picture in order. Okay, sadly we can choose only 10 picture, one remaining. Okay, no issue, just share it to your story. Let's check. Uploading. Okay, and done. Not yet. Let's check if it's in order. Okay, so we have one more picture remaining, so let's upload that too. Let's go to gallery. Let's upload this too. Let's cross check again if upload is done. Yeah. Okay, so now open your story and on the bottom you will see more. Just tap there and here tap on save. Now tap on save story. Wait for it. Yep. Now close this. Now long press on your story. Tap on add to your story. Okay, so we are going to create a reels now. Tap on reels. We'll be creating around 30-second length video. Speed, let's say around 3x or maybe 4x. Okay, doesn't matter. Just go to your gallery. This is the video we just made. Okay, the length is more than 30 seconds. No issue. Just make the video 4x speed. Okay, and drag it down. Now you can see whole video. Okay, just tap on add. Okay, if you want to add some sticker or want to add some music, you can do it. And once you are done, you are ready to share it to your Instagram reel. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can do this child filter 10 times on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video.